Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share how I got my K1 visa. A K1 visa is a fiancé visa to enter the USA and marry your US citizen fiancé within 90 days of your arrival. The first thing that you need to know is your fiancé, a US citizen, submits the petition. This is done filling out form I-129F and sending it to the USCIS in the US. For example, I am Indonesian and my fiancé is a US citizen living in the USA. We are engaged and planning to get married in the USA. Therefore, I need a K1 visa to enter the USA. In this case, my fiancé is a petitioner and I am a beneficiary. The petitioner submits the I-129F. We chose not to use an attorney. My fiancé and I worked through the process together. I'm going to share with you the steps we took. Even though I was in Indonesia and my fiancé was in the USA, we were able to work together for this application. We provided the cover letter, all documents, and the evidence about our relationship. We did a video call by Zoom to fill out the form I-129F. There are many questions asked about the petitioner and beneficiary on this form. Also, I had to provide the documents about myself, such as a passport photo. I then mailed the documents to my fiancé. He edited his application, then sent the package to the USCIS. So now, let's get started. I'm going to start with the cover letter, then explain each required document one by one. This is how we write the cover letter. You might pause this video to take a look or take a screenshot. On the top left is the petitioner's name and address. Then right here is the USCIS address. Here is a link to obtain the current USCIS mailing address. There are two options of where to file. If you want to file through the US Postal Service, then this is the address. If you prefer to file through FedEx, UPS, DHL, then the file will be sent to this address. Then type the date right here, nature of the submission, I-129F original submission to whom it may concern. Enclosed, please find my form I-129F petition for K1 fiancé visa for blank and supporting documents. Right here will be the beneficiary's name. In this case, it will be my name. Now, let's move on the I-129F contents. First, we include the payment in the amount of $535. The fee can be changed at any time, so please check the up-to-date fee amount before submitting. At the time when we filed this form, the fee was $535. The fee changed in April of 2024. How do you know updated fee? Let's take a look at the USCIS webpage. In here, it states the I-129F petition for alien fiancé fee is $675. So it's already changed since April 2024. And make sure every time you want to pay, you make sure on the website the correct fee so you're not gonna miss it. Next, we include form G1145. This ensures that petitioner gets notified via email or message once the application is accepted. In this form, the petitioner will type their last name, first name, middle name, email address, and mobile phone number. Next, we include form I-129F. As I mentioned before, the US fiancé petitioner fills out this form. There are many questions in this form about petitioner and beneficiary. So in this case, my husband and I filled it out together. We did that on a Zoom call. Of course, we answer all the questions honestly. Next, we include I-129F Part 2, Question 54. This is the explanation of meeting in person. In this part, the petitioner, which is the US citizen, will tell the story of how you both met until planning to get married. Some people write more than one page. It is up to you. Next, proof of meeting in person in the past 2 years. This is very important to prove your relationship is real. In this case, my husband and I, he was my fiancé at that time, collected our photos, the picture of the cards that we sent to each other, the screenshot of text messages, video call, and also we collect the receipts when he visit my country, such as hotel receipt, restaurant receipt, flight book ticket, and many others. We arranged all of them on Photoshop, then printed them out. You might use PowerPoint or any other way. Let me show you how we did that. The first page is our photos when he visited me in my country, Indonesia. I gave notes at the bottom of the picture, such as the name of place, the family member's name in the pictures, and what we're doing there. The second page is the photos of the promise ring he gave me. The third page is the screenshot of showing that we keep in touch with each other by sending videos, also the pictures of flowers he sent on my birthday, Christmas, and Valentine's Day. He is such a sweet guy. The next page is the photos of packets and letters. It shows we still keep in touch by sending packets and letters. I also have a screenshot of our video call with his family in the USA. Next is our text message and video call. It is a lot of work, but it proves that you both are in serious relationship, so do your best. Now let's go back to the cover letter. Next will be the letter certifying intent to marry. You both need to prepare one page each. One is written by petitioner and the other one by the beneficiary. I'll show you how to write these letters. You might take a pause on this video to take a look. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Prepare passport style photos of both petitioner and beneficiary. In my case, I sent my passport style photos to my fiancé via email. He printed them out in the USA. Next will be a copy of the petitioner birth certificate. Please note, you will not send the original. It should be the copy. Next will be a copy of the petitioner's US passport. And again, do not send the original. At the bottom, you will type the copies of documents submitted are exact photocopies of unaltered documents. And I understand that I may be required to submit original documents to an immigration or consular officer at a later date. So guys, that is all for today. The next video will deal with organizing the application and sending it to the USCIS. Also upcoming are videos about regarding my K1 visa timeline. So please subscribe to this channel to watch more videos about my immigration journey. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for your immigration journey. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.